Alright, for me the key to getting dressed with your gear on, with your seatbelt on, is to get everything ready ahead of time, get everything laid out just the way you want it. For me, I put my coat on the bar on the outside, make sure that your strap is hooked onto the Velcro, ready to go. I also like to put my radio in my pocket with the EasyComm already hooked up. If I make an EMS run, then I just come out here and disconnect it, put the radio inside and put the coat inside. I have more time on an EMS run, but if it's a fire call, then it's already pre-connected. So, and then I get all my gear laid out on the inside just the way that I want it. My hood and face piece, I put them together with the EasyComm cord inside the face piece, and with the earpiece out to the side. And just put that right in front of me with the tick right next to it. Put my helmet over there. So I'm going to go ahead and get dressed. On the outside of the pumper, I put my quick hitches on and my coat. Buckle the bottom two buckles. And I'm ready to get in. Before I close the door, put the left strap on and the right strap on, and then I pull my seatbelt over. And click in. And then we're ready to start rolling. That's when I close the door. And then once we're en route, one of the first things I do is change the radio channel while I don't have gloves or anything on to the right radio channel. Get that Velcro down right and put my tick on, connect my tick, get that ready to go. And then when I start to get closer, because I don't want to fog up my face piece too early, that's when I start putting on my face piece and my hood. And then tuck it into my coat. Buckle the top two buckles. Get my EasyComm quick connect. Alright, when I'm ready to go, then I undo my seatbelt, pull it out and away, make sure everything's clear, and then I'm ready to get out, undo the air pack, and get out. Once I get out, then I put my waist strap on. Check my coat. I put my gloves on right before I'm about to go in the fire.